Hello friends, let's go through filling out the dimension sheet for the Snowperson project. I'm going to get my units first. I'm going to go millimeters, because those are the same as my initials. Mike Mitchell, millimeters. Also, I want one small that I can put inside on a shelf, because I'm going to make it out of styrofoam. Okay, the bottom, I'm going to go for 56 millimeters. The middle one needs to be smaller than the bottom one, so let's go 44. The head needs to be smaller than the middle sphere, so that's going to have a diameter of 32. Okay, that's all I need to put out. The top hat. Okay, the diameter of the top hat cylinder needs to be smaller than the 32, so let's go for, so it doesn't go over my head, let's go for 26. I don't want a super tall top hat, so I'm going to go 15 there. Eyes. Now, eyes need to be smaller than the head. I got 2 of them. So I'm going to go for like 10 for the diameter. And they're going to be low and flat, so I'm just going to go 1 for the height on there. 10 and 10 is 20. Yep, those definitely fit on the head. The nose. Okay, that's a carrot. Let's go with the diameter of 6, trying to keep those diameters even, so when I cut them in half to get the radius, they're integers. The height, well, the nose is traditionally kind of long with the carrot, so let's go with 12 for that one, millimeters. Mouths, prisms, those are rectangular prisms. I'm going to have 5 of them. The length, so remember, on a rectangular prism, this is the length, this is the depth, this is the height. The length, I'm going to go with 4. The depth, I'm going to go with 1. The height, I'm going to go with 1. And let's change, let's make that. Let's go with a depth of 1 and a height of 2 on there. Make it a little bit bigger, so I can have a big smile. Okay, buttons. Those are little pyramid shapes, so the way we'll draw those later, just draw the base, and then this is just like looking down on a pyramid. So this would be the vertex of the pyramid. There you're looking down, those are the sides. If I draw it out like this, that would be the three-dimensional drawing aspect of it. This would just be looking down on the top of it when you get to the drawing part. This yellow stuff I forgot to mention, that's for the honors classes, or for the regular classes, that's extra credit. For my buttons, I'm going to go to 4 of those, seems enough. I could go a little more, I could go less. Side lengths, that's the body. Let's go for 5 for that side edge. So that's just the edge, that's just this side right there. It's the same since it's a square. I'm going to go for a height of 2, and I already said I have 4. Again, these yellow ones are extra credit. So on this one, the head of the brim, it's going to be fairly thin, so a height of 1 inch. So remember, this and this need to be the same. So that's got to be 26. That's my inner one. So my outer one, I'm going to go for 40. That way it sticks well outside the head and gives me some shade. Okay, again, another optional one for the regular classes you probably can't use is the scarf. Now the scarf is similar. The scarf is similar to this right here, in that, but it's just a lot longer, narrower version of it. Like that. And then you have little frills at the end of it, like that on a lot of these scarves. But this would be the length, that would be the depth, that really thin one would be the height. So because the scarf isn't real thick. So it doesn't need to be long, so to go around the wrap line, I've got a really long scarf, so I'm going to go for 100. Let's go for a depth of 4, that's kind of like the width, how wide it's going to be. And again, it's not supposed to be really thick, I'm going to go 0.5 for the height. Arms. Okay, the diameter of my arms. Let's go with 8 right here. The height is kind of like the length of your arm, so it's just this distance right here. This would be the height. You can see the other way corner arm. stretching out. That needs to be a little longer. So let's go about 20 on that. Okay, so this is short. This is a little thin right there. Okay, the fingers obviously need to be smaller than the arms. So I'm going to go 2 for the diameter and 3 for the height. Again, the height is kind of the main thing we're going to write. So this distance here would be the height right there of the cylinder. Remember, height is always up and down. It's the distance from base to base in the cylinder. How many fingers am I going to have on each hand? So that's 3 fingers on each hand. And that's my dimension sheet. Some of the reasons I want some bigger, crazier numbers here for some of these. You don't have to do that. You're more than welcome to. Hope that helps you. Hope you all have a good day. See you in class.